Why settle for one battery when you can have 4? Milwaukee's blower is more powerful than similar gasoline models, accelerating air up to 250 kilometers per h in just a second. The 4 M18 batteries provide up to an hour of run time. With a noise level of approximately 62 dB, it's as loud as a conversation. Along with 4 12-amp-hour batteries and a charger, the blower costs around $1,000. Professional demolition hammer weighs over 10 kilograms, but luckily, Hilti offers a system to prevent workers from tiring. It attaches to the back, reducing muscle tension, weighing 8 kilograms, and supporting tools up to 17 kilograms. The pneumatic hammer weighs less, reducing the risk of injuries, and facilitates work. However, this Hilt product costs $2,000. Among other things, Fiskars manufactures these log hooks, firmly gripping wood in one stroke, facilitating log movement, wood cutting, and other tasks. Special serrated hooks make them not only durable, but also lightweight. The 32.5 centimeters blade weighs only 220 grams, and you can buy a handle for logs up to 20 centimeters in diameter. The price of the Sapi Exa 2 version is $53.50, and the handle costs $1. The Metabo GPB 18 LTX BL 11/28 body is as long as its name, perfect for tight spaces and heavy workloads. The back of the body, where the battery is located, rotates in 90-degree increments. In terms of power, it rivals 100W corded models with adjustable revolutions for smooth precision. Safety features include stopping the shaft in less than a second. Other models in this Metabo grinder line are equally good, with the one shown priced at $622. Working alone can sometimes be uncomfortable, but the Irwin Quick Lift Jack is here to help. It can support up to 150 kilograms, lifting doors, windows, and other objects up to 25 centimeters high. Thanks to its clever base shape, it's comfortable to use even in tight spaces. This jack is very useful for many people, including carpenters and experts working with windows and floors, and it will only cost you $10. A must-have device and a great gift, according to the sellers of this kit. For $50, they offer a case with an electric screwdriver, spare bits, and a charging cable. The tool produces up to 200 revolutions per minute and has a torque of 4.5 nanometers. For added convenience, the housing has LED lighting. The screwdriver operates on a 2000 mAh battery. What do you think? Is it really essential? First, treat the dirty area with a special solution. Then clean it with a brush. And finally, powerfully vacuum the dirt and moisture. This vacuum cleaner works with the OnePlus battery system. With a high-end 9-amp-hour battery, you can clean for up to 93 minutes. It removes dog prints, lipstick marks, car interior residues, and more. It's also great for deep cleaning carpets and upholstery. Along with a 2-amp-hour battery and charger, the Ryobi Swift Clean will cost you $60. The Homax TexPro system helps with texturizing, one of the options for decorative painting. This device allows you to accelerate work by up to 70%. Look at how fast the process is. Just plug in the compressor, insert the cartridge, and you're ready to go. Additionally, TexPro is 60% lighter than a conventional hopper sprayer and comes with 3 nozzles to customize spray intensity. TexPro is sold by Hilti Neuron XOT22 for $280. Kemper 1800's blade temperature is adjustable from 100 to 450 degrees Celsius, sufficient for cutting leather, nylon, plastic, and other materials. The cutting depth is adjustable up to a maximum of 15 centimeters. This model was later replaced by a more powerful one called Kemper 1810, reaching 500 degrees Celsius. Pegasus is a great gift for anyone heavily involved in online work who hasn't practiced carpentry in a long time. The table weighs 14 kilograms and can support up to 136 kilograms or 454 kilograms when used as a sawhorse. It includes clamps, and the work surface can be halved if necessary, selling for $1.50. Pony developers decided to reinvent clamps, creating an innovative and patented design. Their clamps are not only resistant to torsion, but also allow pressure adjustment without additional tools. To prevent soft pads from coming off during use, developers riveted them in place. 3 grip widths are available: 102, 50, or 38 mm, selling for $1.11. Don't jump to conclusions about a $1.38 piece of rubber. The Raimondi UP device is very useful for people installing floors, simplifying cutting, drilling, glue application, and other operations. Raimondi UP can support a load of up to 75 kilograms, ensuring tiles placed on it don't slip or vibrate as much. Additionally, the extra space between tiles and the work table allows for tasks with greater confidence and safety. The legs are flexible enough not to damage the tool upon contact accidentally. A regular axe splits a log in 2, but this one splits it into 4, patented and manufactured in series. The Patriot C3 axe costs only $3, available in the log cutter category.